The longer this shutdown lasts, the more likely it is to affect more than just federal workers. Last night, we told you how local IRS employees are worried about making ends meet in the meantime. Tonight, KXAN's Alex Capriello spoke to a CPA who explains how your tax refund and, in turn, bank account may take a hit before all is said and done.
The holidays are over. Now it's time for tax season.
Me and my staff are working 60 to 70 hours a week.
For CPA Tony Ramos, it's the most wonderful time of the year.
I get to be the hero. I get to help people get their money back.
But not this year.
There's not a lot of positives to a government shutdown. It means the government that was supposed to work for its citizens just plain isn't.
Right now, there's no IRS to help process your refund.
It's not only a disservice to the people who serve this country, it's a disservice to everybody who pays their taxes.
Ramos says e-filing of taxes has already been pushed back 2 weeks. People who might normally expect their tax returns at the end of January will just have to wait.
If this shutdown continues another 2 weeks, it could be until the end of February before e-filing starts, which means refunds won't be processed until April.
That means people may not get their much-needed refund for things like
food, bills,
maybe go on trips or something.
Probably go on a vacation, party a little bit.
And those that count on that yearly check will just have to be patient.
Like if I'm going to file my taxes, I'd like my tax refund whether or not the government is shut down.
So now the clock ticks as people wait for the IRS to start picking up their phones once again.
This is really affecting government employees and government contractors. But when people start missing their tax refunds, that affects everyone.
In Austin, Alex Capriello, KXAN News.
And Ramos reminds us that 2019 marks the first time the Trump administration's tax plan is in effect. The biggest change to watch out for: personal exemptions for children are no longer valid, but the standard deduction for couples filing jointly has been doubled to $24,000.